guys, welcome to my channel. We're at the Mangere markets. Oh, you got a sample?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay guys, here we go. If you don't hear from me, you know it's poison. Are you gonna play me a song?
Yeah, right. Here we go, brother. There's a natural mystic flowing through the air. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. This will be the first trumpet. Might as well be the last. Many more will have to suffer. Many more will have to die. Oh, that's me why things are not the way they used to be. Don't tell no lie. One and all got to face reality now. Oh, I tried to find the answers to all the questions they ask. Though I know it's impossible to go living through the past. Go down no lies. There's a natural mystic flowing through the air. I won't tell no lie. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. I won't tell no lie. You guys watch it. Though I tried to find the answers to all the questions they ask. Though I know it's impossible to go living through the past. You know my land. There's a natural mystic flow through the air.
Thank you, brother.
Hold it, brother, hold it.
I take one here?
Take what?
Yes, please. I want to support my brother here. Thank you, my brother.
Big.
They all look big, my friend. There we go.
Take two?
No, just one. Oh. Yeah,
Just one.
you can have this one.
Okay.
On the house, yeah?
Yeah.
Check this out. Look at the most colorful food you can find at Mangere market on a Saturday. It's right here. I own, while I'm Cook Island myself. I just love to support the, my favorite. Can I get one of those raw fish, please? Check this out. Is this a good deal or what? Look at that. Must be a good deal, man. Look at that. And you know, you Cook Islanders are watching this. Come out to Mangere and support this store right here because they're always here on Saturday. Is that right? You guys are always here?
Always.
There you go. This is the place to come. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. So all those Cookie Islands are watching this video, come out and support these mamas here. This must be the place to be, Potaro. Everybody's, is this the place for taro or what? Brother, is this the best place for the taro?
Okay.
Cheap taro over here. Okay, here's another store. Another dukan. Hey brother, can I get one of these? Sorry, did I wake you up? How much is that? $5? I thought I'd just come and support you guys.
You rocking it with DJ Fly Guy.